First, you have to pick an affiliate offer. Now, there's so many different platforms that you can apply for affiliate offers on. I'm going to show you two today. The example that I showed you where I made over $5,000 with one offer was on this platform for Shopify Collabs. This is 100% free to sign up with, and then you can just come in here and discover offers, type in your niche or the type of product that you're looking for, and it will pull up a bunch of relevant offers for your niche. And then all you have to do is grab your affiliate link and you're ready to start promoting. Now, what actually sets a good offer apart from one that probably won't convert is a sales page, right? People have to be able to come there, and in addition to the website that I'm going to show you how to build, they have to be triggered into buying. Here's an example of one that I currently have an active collab with. This is a salmon company, and I can honestly say I have made 0 sales of this particular product, and that is because they don't really have a good sales page. Now, most of the offers in Shopify Collabs do not have a good sales page. They're just product listings with a buy button. But the one that I actually found on this platform was kind of rare, but they do exist here. But now I'm going to show you one of the best places to get high converting sales page affiliate offers that you can join for free. So now I'm over on ClickBank. This is free to register with, and as you can see, they have health and fitness, e-business and e-marketing, spirituality, self-help, home and garden, e-commerce, all kinds of different products that you can find here. And what we're going to do is click on top offers, and then you can see how they are ranked. So this product right here is ranked number 1. The average earnings per conversions is $136, and the average earnings per click is 66 cents. And then we can scroll down. This one's number 2. This gets $52 per conversion, and the earnings per click on average is 30 cents. And then you can simply get your affiliate link here. You can view the affiliate page and view the sales page. And like I said, most offers on ClickBank have high converting sales pages, which is super, super important when you are an affiliate. Now, of course, you want something that is highly targeted to your specific audience and your niche. Now, my page is actually in the health and wellness niche. It converts really, really well. People always stop scrolling for things like brain health, memory, focus, energy. This really helped me type of stories. And so this offer right here, the Brain Song, which is a memory offer, would go really, really well with my particular audience. So now I have a niche, which is health and wellness, an affiliate offer, and I also have a Facebook page to drive traffic. Now we actually need to build a website so that we can write our personal story into an article that is going to pre-frame people before they get to the actual sales page. This is going to create that emotional connection that gets people to take action. So I am on hostinger.com/ANGI, that's ANJI, and this is Hostinger Horizons. And what I like is it's not just a basic website builder. It's actually going to give you a website and a web app builder. Hosting is included, a domain is included, a professional email is included, and marketing tools. You get everything that you need in one place. You don't need 10 different tools to make this work, and you definitely don't need any technical skills, which just shortened the curve for people taking action so that you can launch the very same day. So for most people watching, especially if you're building your very first site, I'd start with the starter plan because you're going to get access to Hostinger Horizons to help you vibe code your site with AI. You're going to get a bunch of free credits, and those credits let you prompt the AI, build, refine, add sections, all that good stuff, and then you can continue improving the project. And I would definitely recommend going with the 12-month option because it's going to end up saving you a bunch of money. It's cheaper than the monthly. You're also going to get that free hosting and free domain for 1 year. So when you select the starter plan and go to checkout, make sure that's going to give you an extra 10% off, and it also includes a 30-day money-back guarantee. So now let's build this. So once you're inside, you can click on Websites, Horizons, and right here it says go from idea to a website in minutes. Just chat with AI and go live in 1 click without writing any code. That is what we call vibe coding. So let's go ahead and click get started. All right, so I just went ahead and described what I wanted here for my website. So I just typed create a clean health and wellness blog focused on brain health, add a homepage with featured wellness articles, create a story-based review article for that offer that we found on ClickBank, which is the Brain Song. It's a 12-minute digital audio that helps naturally activate healthy brain waves known as BDNF, brain-derived neurotropic factor, the key to overall brain wellness. Includes sections, my experience as a woman in their 40s and perimenopause, benefits, FAQ, and a call to action button. Add an email opt-in for wellness tips. Make the website clean, trustworthy, and mobile responsive. So then let's go ahead and hit enter and watch what happens. So it actually starts thinking and immediately starts generating. And as you can see here, it is vibe coding for me based on the description that I gave it. Okay, check this out. That was so fast. And as you can see, it created the Brain Wellness Hub. There's the homepage, Brain Song review, a contact button. You can explore other articles here, learn about BDNF, and there's tons of different articles already written for me right here. An option to join the wellness community with an email, and at the bottom, you can have it connected to all the social media platforms. And then when we click on the Brain Song review, it shares a personal journey about perimenopause and understanding BDNF and brain wellness, goes through the key benefits, and answers all of the frequently asked questions. And then it says ready to support your brain health, and then you can embed your affiliate link right right here. At that point, you would come back to ClickBank, click Get Affiliate Link. You would select your ClickBank username right here, click Continue to get your link, come back to Hostinger, and over here you can ask for any changes that you would like. So we could instruct it that on the Brain Song review, please use my affiliate link for the call to action button, put that right there. And if you want to change anything on here, such as add a personal photo of yourself, change your name and age for your personal story, then that is going to make it much more relevant and emotionally connecting to your audience to help with conversions. So there is truly nothing to figure out here. If you can express what you want in words, then you can absolutely do this. AI handles all of the technical stuff, and then you are well on your way. Now, what I really like about Hostinger Horizons for this particular concept, it's more than a basic website. It also can connect with Stripe and different types of payments. That's great if you're selling coaching or digital products. It also can connect with Google AdSense, and if your article ranks, you can monetize your traffic in that way just by people clicking on ads on your website. It can also integrate with Printify. So if you're selling POD merch and you want to include that on your site, you can do that as well. It's also mobile responsive, so it looks good on a desktop and a phone automatically, and everything is just in one place. Then in order to drive traffic, obviously we have our Facebook theme page. If you don't know how to set one up yet, I have tons of videos on my channel here on exactly how to set up a page from scratch and grow it to 5,000 followers and more quickly. Once the page is all set up and you have your website, you can come over to the Facebook search bar and type in the product that you are promoting and see how other people are promoting it and getting engagement. So for example, this post right here has 364 likes and 33 comments. So you can read through exactly what they're saying in their posts, the type of content that they're using. Now, just as another example in the health and wellness space, let's say I want to promote a creatine product, which is a very popular supplement in the health and wellness space. I just went over to Facebook, typed in creatine, and then I'm looking through all of the posts to see what is getting engagement. So here's one where she shares a picture of herself, and then she's giving some facts about creatine, and then sharing a little bit of her personal story. And then in the comments, you would drop a link to an article that you have on your website all about a creatine product. So we'll keep scrolling through here, and then here's a post on why active women need creatine and no, it won't make you bulky. So here's a great example of a type of post that you can make. And I like to do a lot of infographics like this. So for the $5,000 that I made from that one affiliate offer, I literally only did 3 different types of infographics just like this, and drop the link to my website article in the comments. Now bear in mind, I do have 370,000 followers, but I built that page from scratch just like you can. It took me 1 year to go from 0 to 370,000 followers using Facebook followers campaigns and also organic followers from viral content. So that's how simple it is. People click from Facebook, they land on your article, they read your story. If the offer is a fit, then you earn affiliate commissions. That's the exact workflow. Facebook gets the attention, and then Hostinger Horizons is the in-between between Facebook and the offer. Your article does the selling, and then it can keep working long after your post on Facebook, or you can keep making new different posts to drive to your article. You can also pin the article on Pinterest. So just a quick recap, we have a homepage, a featured wellness blog, story-based review article, call to action buttons, email opt-ins, monetization built in, and in one click you can hit publish. You have the hosting, domain, everything ready. That used to feel extremely complicated to me, but now it is fast and as simple as ever. So once we're ready to go live, we simply hit publish at the top right here, and then it's going to give you a temporary domain, and you can connect a custom domain name right here. Remember, with the starter plan, you can get a free domain name for a year. So for your free domain name, you can come up with it yourself, or AI is going to give you some suggestions. How cool is that? And then all you have to do is select the one that you want or type it here and then click next to claim your domain name.